For testing the lightning protection system, also known as LPS checks and rotor blade inspections, a considerable cost apparatus accumulates for your customers. Another challenge is the inaccuracy of lightning protection measurement. If damage is present, it is difficult to locate it accurately. In summary, the experience shows that wind turbine operators see a discrepancy between costs and result quality and therefore opt for the cheapest provider. Many inspection companies are therefore trapped in a constant price competition. At Inatrag Operation, we are a team of inspection engineers, rotor blade experts and drone pilots. I will now show you the 2-in-1 LPS inspection, which helps wind energy inspection service companies worldwide to create a unique selling proposition, improve reporting quality and predict damage development in the future. Previously, operators had to undergo the elaborate process of inspecting the rotor blades of their wind turbines from the outside, using rope access techniques. Although they received individual images of damages, they did not have a comprehensive picture of the rotor blade. In practice, rotor blade inspectors start from scratch each time and do not build upon existing damage information. The development of damages is hardly comprehensible for the operator because there's no standardized reporting. If damage is found on the rotor blade in the lightning protection system, unnecessary costs are often incurred for replacing the entire system or searching for the defective spot, since the damage cannot be precisely localized. Out of this problem, the 2-in-1 LPS inspection was developed. This method creates a comprehensive, high-resolution image of the rotor blades, including an LPS check, without the need for a single rotor blade inspector. Save coordination effort by combining inspections. Inatrag Operation offers the 2-in-1 LPS inspection as the new standard for wind turbine inspections worldwide. For this purpose, razor-sharp inspection images are taken from your wind turbine through drone flight, allowing even the smallest crack in the rotor blade to be examined precisely later. The autonomously flying drone also performs a non-contact LPS check of your system and autonomously marks any damages on the image. The measurement of an electrical field around the rotor blades with a sensor mounted on the drone becomes possible with a high-voltage generator connected to the hub, which replicates a lightning strike much more accurately than previous methods. The procedure, confirmed by TÜV Nord in Germany, can simulate microfractures and corrosion in the lightning protection system, just like a real lightning strike, and detect interruptions in the lightning protection system with centimeter precision. The 2-in-1 LPS inspection works with any lightning protection system that can be accessed from the hub of a wind turbine when the high-voltage generator is connected. Due to the consistent flight route, the 2-in-1 LPS inspection is also the optimal solution if you want to better understand the development of damages in the past and predict them in the future as part of predictive maintenance. You will receive the results of your inspections in specialized software. Your expert teams for rotor blade inspections will assist your customers in the evaluation and show them the most efficient way to operate their wind turbines. Speaking of efficiency, during the drone flight by a drone pilot, the inspector can simultaneously perform additional inspection services in the machine house. A team can easily conduct 3 rotor blade inspections, including LPS check per workday, even with the latest wind turbines. You will receive all the technology, as well as the steps to implement the offer directly from us, and can immediately offer this unique service to your customers. Schedule a free initial consultation now to find out if the 2-in-1 LPS inspection also provides added value for your company. My team and I will gladly address any questions you may have, and together we can arrange the next joint rotor blade inspection with lightning protection measurement. Click the button below this video. We look forward to hearing from you. Inatrag. One energy ahead.